Have you ever bought a bunch of bananas that looked perfectly yellow, only to find brown spots appearing a few days later? It happens so fast that many people wonder if something is wrong. But what if bananas are actually designed to ripen quickly? The answer is more surprising than you might think. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits in America. Millions of people buy them every week. Yet they seem to have one frustrating habit: they ripen faster than most people expect. Scientists have studied this mystery for years. The first thing to understand is that fruits are still alive after they are picked. They may no longer be attached to the plant, but important biological processes continue. In other words, a banana's story doesn't end when it leaves the farm. In fact, bananas are usually picked while they are still green. This helps them survive transportation and reach stores in better condition. If they were fully ripe during shipping, many would spoil before reaching customers. But once the ripening process begins, things start moving quickly. Inside every banana, natural chemical changes are taking place. These changes affect the fruit's color, texture, smell, and taste. The biggest secret behind this process is a natural plant hormone called ethylene gas. This invisible gas acts like a signal. When bananas produce ethylene, it tells the fruit that it's time to ripen. What's really fascinating is that bananas don't just respond to ethylene, they produce it themselves. That means a banana can actually help speed up its own ripening process. It's almost like the fruit has its own internal timer. And the mystery gets even better. When one banana releases ethylene, nearby bananas are affected too. That's why an entire bunch often ripens around the same time instead of one by one. This is also why bananas can affect other fruits. If you place bananas next to apples, pears, or avocados, those fruits may ripen faster as well. One fruit can quietly influence another without anyone noticing. So far, we've learned that bananas produce a powerful ripening signal and even influence nearby fruits. But that still doesn't explain why they seem to change from perfect yellow to brown so quickly. And that's where the story becomes even more surprising. The brown spots that appear on bananas often make people think the fruit is going bad. But in many cases, those spots are simply signs that ripening has continued. As the banana changes, its skin begins showing visible evidence of what's happening inside. At the same time, something interesting is happening inside the fruit. Complex starches are being converted into simple sugars. This is why ripe bananas taste much sweeter than green bananas. Texture changes too. A green banana is usually firmer and less sweet. As ripening continues, the fruit becomes softer and easier to eat. Many people actually prefer bananas at different stages of ripeness. Now here's a question many people ask. Can you slow down the ripening process? The answer is yes. Temperature plays a major role in how quickly bananas continue to ripen. This is why supermarkets carefully manage banana storage. If bananas ripen too early, stores can lose money. If they ripen too late, customers may not want to buy them. Believe it or not, many bananas travel thousands of miles before reaching store shelves. During that journey, temperature and ripening conditions are carefully controlled to keep the fruit in the best possible condition. Another popular trick is separating bananas from other fruits. Since bananas release ethylene gas, keeping them apart can sometimes slow the ripening of nearby produce. What's fascinating is that the same process that frustrates people is actually beneficial in nature. Fast ripening helps fruit become attractive to animals, which can then spread seeds and help plants reproduce. So bananas aren't ripening quickly by accident. Their entire biology is built around a system that encourages ripening at the right time. What seems like a problem is actually part of a clever natural design. So the next time your bananas go from green to yellow and then to brown faster than expected, you'll know the reason. It's all driven by a natural hormone called ethylene in a process that has been helping plants survive for millions of years. And that may be the real banana mystery. If you enjoyed this food mystery, subscribe to Food Mystery Lab for more surprising food secrets.